Good day, everybody. I'm Mike Burrell, Senior Product Manager for Lamprey. Today, we're going to be talking about snow tools. Yes, everybody's aware that Lamprey is one of the major leading suppliers for snow tools, regardless if it's a pusher, a blade, a blower, or even a CE product. Lamprey's got you covered. But today, we're going to talk about the new inverted residential snow blowers. Two different sizes we're going to offer. We're going to offer a 64-inch, a 74-inch. That 64-inch ranges from that 20 to 40 horsepower. 74, 30 to 50. That's right. That 64 is going to match up perfectly right behind that new Kubota LX 4020 they just offered for that 40 horsepower. Now I mentioned inverted. I know you're probably all scratching your heads. What do we mean by inverted? It's a new way to blow snow. And once you see how this actually works in the commercial and in that residential applications, you'll be convinced the inverted snowblower is the way to go. You know, in this video, we're going to dive deep in benefits, features and benefits, what's nice about this new inverted snowblower. But let me tell you, what is really different between inverted and the standard style blower? Standard style blower, it still hooks behind that 3-point. You're backing into the snow, you're backing into the pile, you're looking behind your shoulder, left, right, you're getting a kink in your neck. We all know it gets tiresome. You know, also just think about the safety. You're not watching in front of you, you're looking behind you. Inverted changes everything. You're able to back that blower up, drop it down, look forwards and go. I tell you what, folks, I can keep talking all day about how this works, but you know what? Instead of that, let me just show you the difference between the pull versus the new inverted style. Let's dive deep into benefits. Let's talk about this little 64-inch residential inverted blower. You're going to notice some nice things about it here is you know, you got a 3-step hole here. Why do we do that? Because on those smaller 20 horsepower tractors, the draft links don't go low enough. You're able to change it, pin it. Or if you want to lift that blower up a little bit higher, for example, if you're wanting to put it on a trailer, you've got multiple positions. A great little feature here. On the rotator and the deflector, you can either order manual or hydraulic system. Manual, you'll notice here several different notches. Down low here is where the mechanical or the hydraulic system is set up. Here, there's nothing on it. We're not quite sure how we're going to set it up for this one here, but I believe we're going to go hydraulic since I'm running a cabbed unit here. And that's a nice little feature. Something else that's nice about this here is, you know, what if you come in contact with an obstruction, a rock, or you do pick up something, we have this protected here. What's nice about it is right underneath this little cover here is a shear bolt. What does that shear bolt do? That's their safety protection. It protects the auger, protects the PTO shaft, protects anything going to that tractor there. You know, what's nice about it, it's up here. It's not down low. So if it shears, you're not having to wrestle around in the snow, you're not kneeling in the snow, simply replace it, you're good to go. Nice. A 3-position skid shoe, you're found on the side there to lift that up. If you're not quite wanting to take it clear down the pavement, you want to leave maybe an inch, you can do so. You know, another nice little feature. I'll tell you what, we're going to jump to the back side here and we're going to look at that impeller and I'm going to show you a couple other little features, what makes this inverted residential blower very unique. Folks, again, we talked, you know, several nice benefits on the front of this inverted blower. Let's talk about what makes this residential inverted blower top notch in the market today. As you can see the way it's built, it's boxed in, the welding, how tight it is that back side. Yes, when you compare this inverted blower to a lot of the commercials, you're going to recognize that, hey, this is well built. This is about as sturdy as the commercial blowers out there today. What I like about this inverted blower is how nice, tight it is. You're able to back up to a garage door within 6-7 inches, drop it down, pull forwards, and start blowing. That's right. How we do that is because the cutting edge is built in right behind this reinforced bar. It's set at an angle, and when you're pulling forwards, it scrapes that compacted snow up, throws it to the auger to the impeller. You know, I talked about that auger, that impeller. Let's go in depth. I'm going to show you a few things of what's nice about it. 4 paddle, 24-inch impeller, 15-inch auger with axle, 2 paddles that's throwing that material into it. As you can see here, way it's built, well structured, top notch. You know, this here is going to make you guys an excellent residential blower, regardless if it's at 64 or if you want to step up to that 74-inch blower. Nice little setup here. You know, we covered a lot of highlights, features, benefits, pros, cons of the inverted versus the old pull type 3-point snow blowers. Thanks for watching the video today. Take time, go out there, go to YouTube, look for those Land Pride videos, go to landpride.com. You know, we've got several videos out there, regardless if it's snow tools, it might be CE, it might be dirt work, and it could be a cutter project, service projects. We've got excellent videos out there for those first timers and also those novice owners. So again, thanks for coming in. Check us out. Have a great day.